my favorite place, Elante. This is Hamleys slide. And now I am going to the slide to take fun. Here we go, yay! Whee! Yay! It's so fun here. I will do it 10 or 100 times. Yay! Do you know why I am here?
No, I don't.
I am here for my Rakhi event.
Oh, in the Hamlet toy store?
Yes! I will hunt some Rakhi materials and once I collect it, I will make by myself.
What you're going to make myself, your Rakhi?
Yes!
Oh, looks like there's a beautiful ma'am in the store. She's helping you out, right?
Yes!
Wow, I think you're enjoying it.
Of course I am.
Let's see how many materials you will find today.
Okay. So finally I'm making my Rakhi.
Whoa, looks like you've made. You've got it packed also in the Hamley envelope. Great. Now smile.
Smile! I'm smiling.
Happy?
Happy?
Happy, happy.